The song Ballet by Chris McClarney is a really fun song to play. It's real high energy. It has multiple electric guitars and it has no acoustic guitar. However, of course, I added acoustic guitar, and I actually take some of the second electric guitar's parts and put them on the acoustic. Now, if that gets in the way of your electric player, if you have two electric guitar players, just play chords. It's fine. But I think it actually complements everything really well. The one thing to note is the electric guitar has just a couple key riffs, and it is not capoed. The acoustic guitar is capoed on the 4th fret, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. First, come in with this intro riff. It's going to sound like this. Kind of a cool little part, almost some unexpected things in there. I'm going to turn off my effects here so we can actually hear what's going on. Your pinky's going to be up here on your 14th fret of your E, your pointer finger on the 11th fret of your E, and you're going to pull off and land on the 12th fret of your B. So you're going to go 1 E and then just staying in that position, you're going to go 2 E and. So kind of go back up. You're hammering from 12 to 14 and back to your 11th fret there. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and a 4. So you add that little and a 4 to get you back. So doing that same riff again. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and a 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and then we go 3 and 4 and. So same start, but right there. And that's the first main idea. So one more time all together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and. And then we repeat with the same rhythm. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and 2 E and. But this time, instead of playing that note, we go ring finger on the E, G, and up to the B. So all together, the opening riff, nice and slow, is going to play. Drop out and go into that verse. So do have loops at both speeds of that. Go ahead and give that a shot, and then let's look at that next section.